Hola guys, I'm coming to you with my Tonic, with a small video for my Tonic subscription box. It's called the Tonic Craft Kit. So here we go. So my box contains some advertisement for Tonic. Okay, so the kit comes with where's my thingy where it says know what it comes with. Let me see here. Give me a second, guys. Okay, this is called the Pivot Gift Box Die and Stamp Set, and it comes with the Pivot Gift Box Die Set, the Stamp Set, the Classic Card Pewter Gray. So it's comes with paper, maroon, red, opera red, black velvet. It's got the specialty paper called Red Berries, specialty card, umber etching, pearlescent card, glazed chestnut, smooth card, black color, twine. It's called pewter gray. The pure shine glitter, which is a ruby red. Here's the pure shine glitter. So this is what it comes with. And I'll pull the dice and all that other stuff in a second. So it comes with this. The Fiery Volcano, I think it's this one. Oh, maybe it's not this one. It's this one. Yeah, Fiery Volcano stone drops. Sorry about that. The Rich Cocoa Glimmer Paste. Yeah, this is the Glimmer Paste. Rich Cocoa. The Mini Mica Mist. It's Crimson Velvet. And it comes with a craft kit, wallet, and exclusive sticker. So here's the twine. So let's look at the Tonic Craft Kit. This is cute. So ta-da! So here's some dies. Here's the second part of the die. Here's the stamps. Crafting Makes Everything Better sticker. Here are the instructions on how to fold the paper once it's cut, and this is what I'm supposed to be making. And the paper in here. Oh, this is some pretty paper, guys. Look at this. It's like it's not copper, it's, I don't know, but it's beautiful. Look at this paper. It's got honeycomb. Oh, it's shiny over here. And it's dull over here. Shiny over here. Here's the black smooth, what's it called? Smooth card black. It is very smooth. This is umber etching. Oh yeah, it's got some texture there. This is a chestnut, glazed chestnut. This is the red berries. Hey, you can see me. And this is the black velvet. And this is maroon red. Pewtery gray. I don't know which is pretty mixed. That's two. 1, 2. 5, 6, 7, 8 papers. These papers are pretty cool. I like them. I really like this one. You can feel it. So yeah, this is what comes in the box. And to make this little box right here. Isn't that cool? Can't wait. I can use it to send with my happy mail. So yep, that's it guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. See you later. Ooh.